ever felt like companies knows exactly what you want before you do? It's not a coincidence. Consumer behavior is changing fast, and businesses are using new tricks to influence what you buy. In this video, I will reveal the top trends shaping our decisions, and you'll be shocked by the number 5. Before we dive in, let me ask you, what's the last thing you bought online? And why did you buy it? Drop it in the comments. Let's start it. The power of personalization. AI and data-driven personalization companies track everything: your clicks, your search history, and even how long you look at a product online. This is the way they understand the patterns and behavior of the target customer, and then using your own behavior, you will be given the same options that you got. You'll be given the same options that you would take immediate action on it. Have you ever felt that you are talking to your family about buying a car and next thing you see is an ad on Facebook about a new car launch? Have you ever wondered why is that? Your environment is analyzing you each and every second. Another example is, if you see any ad and you click on it, you will continue to see similar ads no matter what you want to watch or check on the internet. This is because of your interest is documented when you click on the ads. Ever notice how ads seems to read your mind? That's AI predicting what you'll want next. Have you ever wondered how Amazon is delivering things within a day? They understand your buying pattern, and based on their predictive learning model, they know what products you are likely to buy, and they keep those products close to your location pin code warehouse so that you get those products within a day. Amazing, isn't it? Let's take a real life example. Imagine Sarah, she browses for sneakers one day. Suddenly on Instagram, Google, and even Spotify starts showing her sneakers ad. She thinks, wow, this must be a sign. Nope, just smart algorithm. Be aware of how companies personalize your experience. Next time you see a perfect ad, ask yourself, was this really my idea? Have you ever bought something because an ad magically knew what you wanted? Tell me in the comments. Now, the rise of ethical consumerism. The major insight in this is people now buy with a purpose. 71% of consumer prefers eco-friendly brands because they want to be like others. It's a herd mentality. And the other thing is self-appreciation. They want to follow eco-friendly brands because either they feel that they are adding value to the society and it is at the same time maintaining some status. Social justice, sustainability, and ethical sourcing affects buying decisions because that's how human psychology works. Now, one more example is, remember when a fast fashion was cool, now brands like Patagonia thrive because they stand for something bigger than just selling clothes. Before your next purchase, check if the brand aligns with your value. Would you still be buying it for you knew how it was made? Are you willing to pay more for a product that's ethically made? Let me know yes or no in the comment. Now, social commerce explosion. Now, the key insight in this is shopping is now a social experience. TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube influences 70% of purchase decision. But moreover that, they make a lot of money out of it. Business owner pays a lot of money for displaying the ads and generates sales, and in turn these platforms makes tons of money. Influencers make or break brands overnight because nowadays people believe on others than their own gut feeling. If an influencer says that this is the best product they have used so far, you will buy it without even thinking about it. Imagine an influencer has 1 million followers. Out of those, 100,000 watched the product promotion, and out of those, 20,000 purchased the product worth $50 or 5,000 rupees. You can imagine how it will add to everyone's revenue. This is how value driven approach impacts based on consumer behavior. Now, one more example here is a skincare brand went viral on TikTok selling out in 24 hours just because one influencer raved about it. That's the power of social commerce. Now, one actionable step I want to talk about is don't fall for every influencer's recommendation. Always check reviews outside of social media. Have you ever bought something because an influencer recommended? What was it? Comment below. Now, subscription economy and digital ownership. For this, the key insight is people now rent, subscribe, and share more than they own it. Netflix, Spotify, and meal kits changed how we buy things. Now, even car ownership is declining in favor of subscription models. Now, one of the examples is millennials and Gen Z are moving away from owning things. Instead of buying movies, they stream. Instead of buying cars, they use Uber or subscribe to a rental model. Do you agree? And if this is the situation, imagine Gen Beta's situation. Crazy, isn't it? Now, actionable tip. Look at your subscriptions. Are you actually using them? If not, time to cut cost. How many subscriptions do you have? More than 5? Less than 5? Comment below. Now, the next is the death of brand loyalty. The key insight to look out here is people are less loyal to brands than ever. 80% of consumers switch brands for better deals and experience. And why not? When there is better satisfaction, it's always better to move to a new, better solution. Why would you pay for something that is not adding value in your life and you're paying for it? Right? Customer service and fast shipping. Fast shipping is a game changer. Imagine Blinkit, Zepto, BigBasket, or any grocery delivering app. These all are grocery deliveries aggregators. But which provider delivers the goods faster is your preferred choice, along with quality, right? Think about it. When's the last time you stuck to one brand for years? Amazon, Uber, Apple have trained us to want speed and convenience over brand loyalty. As a customer, use this to your advantage. Always compare before you buy. Do you stick to one brand or do you jump around for the best deal? Let's debate in the comment. One powerful takeaway is consumer behavior is changing at lightning speed. If you're not aware, you've been influenced without realizing it. But now you know the trends, so you can shop smarter, think sharper, and stay ahead of the game. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and for more deep dive information and to understand consumer psychology, subscribe to my channel and share this video with a friend who needs to know this. Until then, be focused, be consistent, be dedicated, and be invincible.